Yo, what's up everyone? Silver Slayer. Welcome back for another video. So today I want to talk about some breaking news. So South Korea officially legalizes Bitcoin. This is breaking news. This just all came out, came out to the world about a day ago. So this is fresh news, and it's very exciting because I know South Korea has been trying for a while now to legalize Bitcoin. And I can pull this little summary up about it in this page. So it just talks about, South Korea has officially legalized international Bitcoin transfers and is on the verge of providing a regulatory framework for Bitcoin trading platforms and exchanges, which is really cool. And the reason it's so good that these countries legalize it because it's a lot safer. When you're dealing with a bank going into, buying from your bank account to, a site like Coinbase or an exchange or whatever, there's actually some proof and some security since, you have your bank account linked or there's the government back to the decentralized, just in case something were to happen, it's just a lot safer doing it this way. And it's just really cool to see that there's some type of security and some acknowledgement for the banks to get involved, with these exchanges and with these platforms in a legal manner where they'll be acknowledging it now. So it's really good. Talks about on July 3rd, Representative Park Yang-jin of the ruling Democratic Party of Korea revealed that the South Korean government is ready to regulate the Bitcoin market. According to Rep. Park, he submitted three revisions to build a set of regulatory frameworks for Bitcoin users and business to further facilitate the growth of the South Korean Bitcoin market and industry. Pretty cool. Um, so like the Philippines, South Korea has officially legalized Bitcoin as a remittance method, allowing fintech companies to process up to $20,000 worth of South Korean won in Bitcoin for users. And it's just really cool when the South Korean government fully regulates the Bitcoin market and industry in the near future and further legalizes Bitcoin as a digital currency on top of a remittance method like Japan. Trading volumes of the South Korean Bitcoin exchange market will likely record an exponential growth rate. Already, according to the market data sources, the South Korean Bitcoin exchange market processes over 14% of global Bitcoin trades, the third largest market behind the US and Japan. Now that's huge. Now Bitcoin is becoming legal in more and more countries as we're seeing. We have some places even trying to tax Bitcoin now. You see Bitcoin ATMs, you see even gold and silver online dealers accepting Bitcoin. McDonald's, it's everywhere. You have Bitcoin debit cards and Visa cards where you can, it's pretty interesting. So some of the other countries that Bitcoin is legal is the US, Estonia, Canada, the UK, Japan, Sweden, Germany, Finland, and now Korea. And Singapore, it's not legal, but it is considered a commodity. India, no government regulations, but there is trading going on. In China, legal trade by individuals, but trying to tax and also legalize. So I know China has a lot of stuff going on. And actually, some of these I pulled up were from a month ago, so it was actually late April. So some of these countries down at the bottom might actually be legal now, and there might be other ones to this list. But just from what I pulled up very quickly, those were just a couple, a handful of countries that Bitcoin is legal in, and it's really cool and it's really interesting to see how fast this is growing. You would think, with these banks, they would kind of want to push Bitcoin away since it's direct competition and it's very fear. It's a global decentralized exchange, but they are finding ways to incorporate the banks, because you have to link your debit card or whatever to a Coinbase account or to an exchange. And when you want to cash out or when you want to buy in, there's a direct, correlation right there where it's, you put money into the bank, you can charge the bank and charge the fee, whatever makes them happy. When you sell out, you're putting your money into the bank, and so, I mean, it makes sense. And plus, there's so much, you can't ignore this stuff anymore. You can't ignore Bitcoin. If you're into the world of finance, Bitcoin in general, it's up to $2,820 today on July 22nd, 2017. So, it cannot be ignored. If you ignore it, then you're only setting yourself even farther back. And, it's just you have to keep an open mind and just go with the flow. Go with the world. You can try as much as you want to go against the grain and stick to with what you think is right, but you always have to understand this is the direction that the world is going in right now. Just like when smartphones came out, everyone that had those flip phones that had like Tetris on the games, like everyone advanced up to a smartphone because it was more convenient, it was, better technology, everyone had it, everyone was using it, had more, and it's just this is the direction that it's going, the currency is going, and it's widely becoming, popular and fastly taking over and getting legal, which is very, very important. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Just kind of wanted to share this new breaking news with you guys. I think I'm going to do more videos like this where I kind of just bring updated news and educate as I learn myself, because I'm still new. This is stuff I'm still learning, so I'm not going to talk about anything that I don't understand. I'm only going to share, an article that I found, or my perspective or opinion about something, and just update you guys on what's happening with Bitcoin inside the world on a day-to-day basis. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is pretty exciting news. Congrats to South Korea for having Bitcoin officially legalized. And I'll see you guys for the next video. Peace.